Hello and welcome to Cloud Basics. In this series, we're gonna talk about the basics of all the cloud software solutions. In this video, we're going to talk about the screen. What's the screen? Actually, your solution is made of modules. Each module contains pages. A page like this, if you open it, you will see it contains two screens. This is a screen, the one I'm opening and closing. For this video's purpose, we're gonna use administrator announcement. This is a very simple page. It contains one screen. We'll have to look around what the screen consists of, how can we use it, and how each part of it can be helpful to us. The first part of the screen is the title. Here you can find the name of the screen. In other pages, like this one, you can find in the title the name of the screen, which is lines, plus the name of the parent screen, which is procurement invoice, and we will discuss this in another video. Going back to announcements, the second part of the screen is the table or the grid. This is the grid, which shows the data inside this table in an Excel-like view. You can resize, you can scroll, you can filter like this, you can double filter like this, you can arrange ascending and descending. You can add using this button. You can edit. This is a test. And you can delete using this button. Actually, it is very easy. If you wanna read this row, you don't have to scroll right and left all the time. You just click on it, select it, and click view. This way you can easily read the contents of the row without having to scroll right and left. You can create an advanced filter. Let's say we want the ID to equal 5 and we want the role to not equal sales rep, and we want the created date to be less than or equal 2016-05. You can also export the contents of any screen to an Excel file, and you can export it also to a CSV file. This part is the pagination. If you have a lot of records, let's say for example the warehouse products page, we have 614 pages. Each page contains 50 products with its data. We will not get the 30,000 records all at once on your screen. You won't even have the time to read all of this. Here you have two options to view them 50 by 50. Like this is the first page of 614 showing 1 to 50 records, 1 to 50 of 30,695. If you go to the next page, it will show you 51 to 100 and etc. You can go to the last page. You can go to a specific page, let's say page 40, by just writing 40. You can search. As you can see, you can easily find any record you want, and you can read the record, you can add, edit, delete, you can do an advanced search, and you can easily export. The last thing is, all these records are active. If you delete one record, for example, we don't have any deleted records here. Let's go to announcements. We just deleted one. You can click on no. These are the deleted records. They are inactive. You cannot use them, but you can read them for any revision. When I added this record, I only had to choose the role and the comments. What about the ID? The created by, modified, and modified by columns. These columns are written automatically by the system. Each record has to have a unique ID for database purposes and for facilitating communication between employees. For example, hey Muhammad, have you seen the record 5? I think it has some error. So you don't have to see the record when the manager wrote something like blah blah blah. No. Just say the record 5 and who created the letter 5 and when exactly, and who modified it and when. These columns are very helpful. You will find out how when you use the system for several months. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.